everyone.
Good morning.
Hey, how are you today?
I'm good.
Hey, that's great to hear. So today we are going to learn something interesting. We'll analyze persuasive language in advertisements. And our goal is to find out how language can make an ad sound powerful and convincing. Okay, let's begin. So this learning objective for today, we will identify persuasive technique, explain how persuasive language influence people, thoughts, feeling, and implications, and we will analyze advertisement critically and connect persuasive strategies to real life situation. Also, we will reflect on your personal experience with persuasive language. Okay, let's begin. So, what is persuasive language? Can anyone tell me what persuasive means, or anyone want to share your opinion about persuasive language? Okay, yeah.
It means to make someone believe or something.
Okay, anyone?
Maybe it's when someone uses words to make people agree to change their mind.
Okay, that's good. Maybe last one.
I think it's like using language to influence people's decisions.
Okay, that's very nice. That is very good start, everyone. And that's exactly what persuasive language does. It's a way of using language to influence people's thoughts, feelings, or actions. And let's understand persuasive language more clearly. So, persuasive language is used to influence, convince, or encourage people to think, feel, or act in a certain way. And we often use in speech, debate, social media, and advertisements. And how it works, we use emotional, logical, and powerful words, and make message more sound believable and appealing. Okay, for example, if an ad say, "We must act now for a better future," how do this make you feel? Okay, Tasha?
Want to take action, I think.
Okay, good. And
It's inspiring.
okay, that's exactly. It encourages action and it's inspiring us to take an action. That is persuasive language. Okay, now we will understand how this language works in advertisement. Okay, so the goal of advertisement is to attract people attention and people choices to make people believe, remember, and finally buy the product, right? So advertiser use some persuasive technique. So here is the persuasive technique we will learn for today. There is emotional appeal, exaggeration, and slogan. Okay, I will explain briefly. For the first is emotional appeal. This technique tries to make people feel something like happiness, love, pride, or comfort. For example, look at this food advertisement. Let's say a smile is always healthy. It makes the audience feel joy and warmth. How do you feel about this ad? Okay, Rahma?
I feel like this ad is so positive, make me feel warm and happy.
Okay, good. Or okay, I feel happy too. Okay, yes, because this ad is connect with the emotion with the product, so people will remember how to make them feel. Okay, the second is exaggerations. Advertisers make their products sound bigger or better. For example, look at this beauty advertisement. Less wrinkles in only minutes. Do you believe just only minutes?
No.
Right? And it's impossible. So, yeah, for exaggeration, they use strong words to grab your attention and make the product sound special. Another example may be like, "This is the best test ever," like that. Okay, do you get it?
Yes.
For the last is slogan. A slogan is a short and catchy phrase that represents the product or brand. I think everyone know about this slogan of KitKat. Have a brick, have a KitKat. Short, simple, but very powerful. That is slogan. So the message here is advertiser use emotion, catchy word, and strong phrase to influence people. So do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, everyone. Let's move to the part. So in this activity, you will work in pairs. You will analyze an egg, and the focus on this activity, and the goal of this activity is to make you analyze your persuasive language in real advertisements. Okay, and your focus point is for analyze. You will watch the video advertisement and you analyze this one. Number two and number one. Sorry, which persuasive technique do you find and why do you think they are effective? Okay, do you get it?
Yes.
I will give you 2 minutes. Sorry, I read 3 minutes. Okay, so let's watch the advertisement. Okay, so please listen carefully and focus on the word. You will find the persuasive language.
Open your eyes bigger. New Panorama by L'Oreal Paris. A multi-level bristle brush to catch every single lash. Corner to corner, bigger, wider. See life in Panorama because you're worth it.
Is that enough or you want to one more time?
One more time, please.
Okay.
Open your eyes bigger. New Panorama by L'Oreal Paris. A multi-level bristle brush to catch every single lash. Corner to corner, bigger, wider. See life in Panorama because you're worth it.
Okay, so you have 2 minutes for analyze and discuss your partner. 2 minutes start from now. Okay, do you want to join us? Okay. Okay, do you find the challenges? How? Is it okay? Discuss it. Okay, 1 minute left. Okay, everyone, time's up. Let's share your analysis result. Let's start from group 1. Please tell us what persuasive language do you find and explain why.
Okay, so we found the phrase because your work is in the ad, and we think it's an emotional appeal because it makes women feel confident.
Okay.
Yes, and we also noticed that words like bigger and wider are exaggeration because they make the product sound powerful.
Okay, very nice. Group 1, you notice emotional appeal and exaggeration. And both are are used in the ad to attract customer. Very nice. Okay. For group 2.
After discussing, we noticed that the same praise. The praise is because we worked it. Also worked as a slogan because it's short and easy to remember.
Okay.
Yes, and it's persuasive because it gives a positive and empowering message. It motivates one to feel they deserve the best, encouraging them to act.
Okay, good job, group 2. You say the same phrase with group 1, and I like how you explain why it's persuasive. So good job. So give applause for group 1 and group 2. Okay, everyone, good work. So let's move to a bit reflection about this ad. So I want you to answer this reflection. Is this advertisement effective? Why or why not? Okay. Yeah.
Yes, it's effective because it gives positive emotion to the audience.
Okay. Thank you. Anyone else?
I agree, it's short and easy to remember.
You, both of you. It also makes women feel confident. That's why it works. Okay.
And I think it's successful in persuading people to buy in.
Right, exactly. Everyone answered with the clear and logical opinions. That's very nice. Okay, everyone. So let's review what we have learned for today. Okay. So I want you to answer this review. For the first question is, what is the purpose of persuasive language in advertisement? Okay, Tasya.
To make people interested in the product and believe the message.
Okay, that's very nice. And for the second, what are the 3 techniques we discussed today?
There are 3. The first one is emotional appeal, exaggeration, and love is slogan.
Okay, good job. You remember very well. And for the last question is, how do these techniques influence people?
They make the product sound attractive and make people remember it.
Okay, thank you for your answer. And yes, persuasive language used in advertisement to influence people's choice and action. It make them powerful. Okay, thank you for your answer. And for the last, we will have a bit reflection again. It connect with our daily life. So here I have 2 questions. So for the first question, can you think of a time when someone persuaded you to do something? How did it make you feel? Maybe, yeah.
Yes, my friend persuaded me to join a club. I felt a bit hesitant because at first, but then I was excited to try it.
Okay, that's very nice and good experience. Yeah, thank you for sharing. And anyone?
Can I?
Okay.
My parents pressured me to study a new language. At first, I was lazy, but I felt motivated after.
Okay, so your parents success to persuading you to and finally inspiring you to learn new language, right? So thank you for sharing. That's very nice. Okay, for the second question, have you ever used persuasive language to convince a friend or family member? And what did you say?
I think I want to share my opinion on my experience. Okay, I ever convinced my younger siblings to do the homework on time because by telling them if we finish it first, that will be fun.
Okay, that's very interesting, Mama. Thank you. And
I persuaded my friend to try a new restaurant by saying it had the best dessert and good atmosphere.
Okay, thank you, Hafsa. It's very nice you. Like, okay, so you can see, guys, the persuasive language not only used in advertisement, right? We use it all the time, like we want to try to convince our friends, share, give expression or share ideas, and so understanding help us to become a better communicator in real life and make our what make the sorry help us make a smart decision for better. Okay, everyone. So maybe that's all from today's lesson. Thank you for your participation, your hard work, and also your mindful answer. So see you next time.
See you. Thank you.